Math potatoes is one of those where I'm trying to think of how to write a poem about potatoes. So the picture, the problem, math problem, was to figure out how many potatoes. So I had these potatoes in groupings. And I'm thinking to myself, boy, there's so many ways to eat a potato. You got hash browns, you got baked potatoes, you got mashed potatoes. So I'm writing this, thinking of all these ideas, and I came up with this idea that I thought was good. Potatoes au gratin, the kind that are best forgotten. So I thought that was funny. Turns out it's not. But it did give me an idea for how to structure the poem, so the poem ended up something like this. Boiled and baked and often mashed, peeled and fried and sometimes hashed. No wonder they hide underground. Life is painful when they're found. Can you add up these poor souls for whom the bell already tolls? In groups of 10 you'll hear their cries. Please don't turn us into fries. So the clue in that poem was don't think in doubles, which is what everybody does. If you see a 4 next to a 4, most people will think 8. But if you see a 4, should you put it with the 4? No, what goes better with a 4? How about a 6? So the whole key is to think in groups of 10, not to think in doubles. So again, I use all my poems to teach important math strategies. I try to make them funny by using poems and using wordplay and bad puns. And that kind of just gives me a kick out of it, makes me enjoy writing. So I have a new poem that I just wrote on bats and echolocation. That's in the new book, Math Fables 2. And the name of that poem is The Sound and the Furry.